Hey everyone, welcome back to the Out Loud English podcast. I'm Jake.
And I'm Mia. We're so glad you're here for some daily English practice.
Today we have a topic that is a little frustrating, but also very common. We're talking about trying to buy trading cards right now.
That's right. Collectible cards like sports cards or Pokemon-style cards are super popular, but that means they can be really hard to find in stores.
Exactly. So in this episode, we're going to have a real English conversation about that. You'll learn useful English phrases for talking about shopping, things being sold out, and how to talk about high prices.
And remember, this is an English conversation shadowing episode. That means we want you to speak with us. When we practice a phrase, say it out loud. It's the best way to improve your English speaking.
Ready to start?
Let's do it.
So Mia, I went to the store yesterday. I was hoping to find just one pack of new trading cards.
Oh yeah? Any luck?
None at all. I went to the aisle where they keep them, and the shelf was empty, completely bare.
Oh no, they sold out already.
Yeah, I was hoping to find one pack, just one, to open for fun, but I guess I was too late.
That's been happening a lot lately. It feels like you have to be at the store the second they put them out, or you miss them completely.
Right, it's a little disappointing, you know? You get excited to go look, and there's just nothing there.
That's a very common feeling. Let's practice some phrases from that conversation. These are great for talking about something that isn't available. Listen and repeat after me. They sold out already. The shelf was empty. I was hoping to find one pack. I guess I was too late. That's been happening a lot lately.
Great job! Using those phrases will make your English sound very natural. So when the shelf is empty, what can you do? Well, you can ask an employee for help. A really useful phrase is, do you know when you'll restock?
Right. Restock is a great word. To restock means the store gets more of an item after it sells out. They put new stock on the shelf.
Let's do a little role play. Imagine I'm the store employee and Mia is the customer.
Okay, hi. Excuse me, do you have any more trading cards?
Sorry, we're sold out.
Oh, okay. Do you know when you'll restock?
I'm not sure, but we usually get shipments on Tuesdays. You can check back then.
Great, thanks.
See, it's a simple, polite way to ask. Now let's have you practice that key question. Repeat after me. Do you know when you'll restock?
Nice. That's a perfect question for any shopping situation. So, why do trading cards sell out so fast? Sometimes it's because of scalpers.
Ugh, scalpers. Yeah, so what is a scalper?
Scalpers are people who buy popular items very quickly. Sometimes they buy everything the store has. Then they resell those items online for a much higher price.
Exactly. So if you go to the store and the shelf is empty, it's possible that scalpers got there first. They just want to make money, not collect the cards for fun.
Right, and that makes it harder for regular collectors like us to find anything at the normal price.
It can be really frustrating. I just want to collect for fun, not as a business.
I totally agree. It takes some of the enjoyment out of the hobby.
This is great for expressing a little frustration in English in a polite way. Repeat after me. Scalpers got there first. They bought everything.
They resell it online.
That makes it harder for collectors.
I just want to collect for fun.
Excellent work. It's good to know how to talk about these common problems in English. So, if you can't find cards in the store, the next place to look is online. But this is where you see the effect of scalpers. It's a frustrating situation, but it's good to be aware of it. So, what are the alternatives if you can't find cards in stores?
Right. You might find the box of cards you want, but the price is wow. I saw a box online yesterday that normally cost $100 in the store. Online, it was $250.
Whoa, that's way over retail.
Exactly. Let's explain that phrase. Retail price is the normal original price that a store sells an item for.
So, if it's way over retail, it means it costs much more than it should. The seller added a lot to the price.
Right. And when I see a price like that, I just think, I don't want to overpay. It's not worth it to me.
Me too. That's a bit more than I wanted to spend. I think I'll wait for the price to drop. Waiting is often the best idea. Let's listen to a mini conversation about this. I'll ask Jake if he found the cards online. Hey Jake, did you find that box online?
Yeah, I did, but it's way over retail.
Oh, really? How much is it?
It's almost double the normal price.
Oof, I'd wait.
Yeah, me too. I don't want to overpay.
That little conversation is so common. Now let's get you ready for your shadowing practice.
Ready to practice?
These phrases are perfect for talking about prices. Repeat after me.
That's way over retail.
That costs more than it should.
I don't want to overpay.
I think I'll wait.
Maybe the price will drop.
Fantastic! You're learning some very practical English for shopping and daily life. Okay, so we've talked about empty shelves and high prices. It can sound a little negative.
Yeah, it can be frustrating for sure, but it's important to remember that the hobby is still fun. You just have to change how you approach it sometimes.
Exactly. Even if I can't find new packs, I still enjoy collecting. I like looking at the cards I already have and organizing them.
Me too, and I like trading with friends. That's a huge part of the fun that doesn't cost anything.
Right, so now I'm trying to be patient. I know I don't need every new release the day it comes out.
That's a great mindset. I'll find some eventually. The excitement is in the hunt too, not just the buying.
It is. It's supposed to be fun, and we can choose to focus on the fun parts. Let's practice some of those positive phrases. These are great for talking about your hobbies and staying optimistic. Repeat after me. I still enjoy collecting. I don't need every new release. I'm trying to be patient. I'll find some eventually. It's supposed to be fun.
Wonderful job. Keeping a positive attitude is important for hobbies and for learning English. All right, now it's time for our final speaking challenge. We want you to make your own story about this situation.
What you were trying to buy. What happened. How you felt. And what you will do next.
For example, I could say, I was trying to buy trading cards. They sold out already. It was frustrating. I think I'll wait for the next restock.
Perfect. Okay, it's your turn. You can use our example phrases or your own words. We'll give you some time to think and speak.
First, say what you were trying to buy. Go ahead.
Good. Now, say what happened. For example, they were sold out, or the shelf was empty.
Nice. Now say how you felt.
It was frustrating, or I was disappointed.
Okay, last one. What will you do next? Maybe I'll wait, or I'll check another store?
Fantastic. Now, let's try to put all 4 sentences together. Say the whole story. We'll give you a little more time.
Amazing! You did it! Speaking full sentences like that is a huge step in your English learning journey. We're so proud of you.
Before we go, let's do a quick review of the most useful phrases from today's English conversation.
They sold out already.
When you ask the store for more, do you know when you'll restock?
Scalpers got there first.
That's way over retail.
I don't want to overpay.
I think I'll wait for the price to drop.
I still enjoy collecting.
And finally, a great mindset. I'm trying to be patient.
Those are all fantastic real-life English phrases.
And that is all the time we have for today. You did such a great job with this English speaking practice.
You learned a lot of natural English for talking about hobbies, shopping, and common frustrations like sold-out products and high prices. This is real English that people use every day.
We hope this helps you feel more confident. For our question of the day, we want to know, what is one thing you collect? It can be anything. Let us know in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this real English conversation shadowing, please subscribe to the Out Loud English podcast. We have new lessons every week to help you with your daily English practice.
Thanks so much for listening and speaking with us. Keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!